Early sail to Martinique. Really good.
Welcome to Martinique.
Yes, thank you. We didn't show passport, nothing. We only put it in the computer and we are in.
Ziff.
Easiest country.
Yes.
The advantage to came to a French island, Carrefour. Now we're gonna shop good food. Good evening. Today we're gonna make Asian soup, tom yum, and I let this dishes. Thea's gonna make it, and we try to get some better light this time. It's gonna be tom yum with fish, blue marlin. Can you hold it? Oh shit. Wait. Wait. Lemongrass. Okay, what we start with? Little oil. Fry up a little garlic.
Ginger, because and make tom yum because make fish can have ginger a little bit.
Chili sauce. Ketchup. Tomato puree. Lemongrass. Salt. Pepper. The fish, we have blue marlin. We are so good at fishing, so the freezer is full with blue marlin and mai. Not bad. For tom yum you can use fish, chicken, pork, beef, whatever you have.
5 minutes.
It's gonna cook a little bit, 5 minutes.
Little bit water first.
Water.
Carrot.
Carrot. Onion. To have some heat in it, you can add
A little bit chili.
little sambal olek. Smell good.
And hot water.
Water.
Five minutes.
5 minutes more. Welcome back. 5 minutes. Then we're gonna add tomato and persil.
Salt, little bit salt,
Little salt.
little salt and sugar.
Yeah. Little sugar.
Now Tom Yum soup.
Finish.
Finish.
Ready. Hey.